So if you're in the market for a budget power supply, Thermaltake may well have you covered with their SMART BX3 power supply. It comes in 550, 650 and 750 watt versions, and in terms of pricing, the MSRP for the 750 watt version is going to cost you just under €75. So it does have some nice features. It is compatible with the latest ATX 3.1 standard, and for your peace of mind, it comes with a 5-year warranty. There is some compromises though. It only has a bronze efficiency rating, and it is non-modular, coming with all the cables attached. So let's go ahead and get it unboxed and take a closer look at it. So I think the first thing to say about our power supply, it is reasonably compact at only 140mm long. And it comes with a built-in zero fan mode, so our 120mm fan doesn't spin up when the power supply is under low load, helping reduce noise in the build. So as I've mentioned, it is a non-modular power supply, so all the cables are plugged in. And looking at our cables, you wouldn't know this is a budget-orientated power supply. We've got a lovely braided 24-pin cable, and all our other cables are nice and flat and coloured in black. In terms of our other cables, we've got two 8-pin EPS connectors to provide additional power to our CPU, and they run off this single cable. Again, we've got two 8-pin PCIe cables, again running off a single cable. And in terms of powering peripheral devices, we've got 4 SATA connectors on one cable, and 2 SATA connectors and 2 Molex connectors on another. In the box for the power supply, you get some paperwork. You're going to get your wall plug, and if you get the UK version, it's going to come with a UK plug. And we've got a bag with some cable ties and power supply screws. So if you are in the market for a power supply that won't break the bank but supports the latest ATX 3.1 standards and is actually pretty good looking with nice cables that aren't going to ruin the look of your build, this is definitely one worth considering. I suppose the only group of people I probably hesitate to recommend this power supply for is if you're using one of NVIDIA's latest graphics cards. With this power supply, you would have to use the adapter that comes with your graphics card. And I think you'd probably be better spending a little bit extra for a power supply that comes with a 12 plus 4-pin cable, so you can plug it directly into your graphics card. But if you don't need this and you're just looking for a good budget power supply with a really nice 5-year warranty, Thermaltake have got you covered. If you have enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not currently subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching.